Fastest object built by humans is the Parker Solar Probe, reaching 692,000 kilometers per hour as it falls deep into the sun's gravitational well. The fastest aircraft ever flown, NASA's X-43 scramjet, achieved 1,244,000 kilometers per hour using air-breathing hypersonic combustion. In living things, speed takes many forms. The peregrine falcon dives like a missile at 390 kilometers per hour. The cheetah sprints at 120. The sailfish reaches 110, and the dragonfly flies at 55. Bamboo leads plants, growing 91 centimeters per day by cell water pressure. Technology goes even further. Ultra-high-speed cameras film over 1 trillion frames per second, while light races through space at 299,792 kilometers per second, the fastest thing known.